I actually teach a course in neuropharmacology at Colorado College. I'd heard of prebiotics and I'd heard of probiotics, I'd even heard of postbiotics, but I hadn't heard of a prebiotic that was a bacteriophage. And so I was really excited about that potential mechanism. And so I was interested in seeing if it might be helpful for me. I noticed when I was on PreForPro that something had changed in the first day. It was almost like I was getting signals from my gut that I hadn't been getting in a long time. And so I started feeling hunger and satiation in ways that I hadn't before. I also noticed increased regularity with PreForPro. I would recommend PreForPro for people with digestive issues, particularly if they have been finding that diet alone is not enough to help regulate their digestive problems. I think that it would be a worthwhile thing for people to try.
PreForPro is a novel prebiotic that helps restore microbiome balance by crowding out bad bacteria, so good bacteria have room to grow. It aids in your digestion and helps maintain overall health. It works in both the large and small intestine, and it's clinically proven to influence the microbial population of the gut, yielding benefits for systemic health. PreForPro is unlike fiber and starch-based prebiotics, as it is effective in smaller doses of just 15 milligrams, and it works in hours, not days, without causing digestive discomfort like bloating or flatulence. Discover a better prebiotic with PreForPro.